Hey, hi again, episode 6. Today we're gonna talk about unpleasant thing about sample collection. So, poop. So I tried to get you some mocked different types of poop, and I got this nice, cool, toy, the emoji. Actually, it gets some fart noise. It's really fun. But anyways, what is not fun is to deal with samples, fecal samples in the lab. So what we did is basically the same iSwap, great technology approach that we have. That it's just a simple, straightforward dip and collection. So we have the full collection designed. So different types of glue, we just dip, and twirl and take it out, and just put it in the tube. Twirl. This is a molded swab, so basically you can release everything. It will not bind 100% release. So this is neck swab, molded swab, where it looks like a bubble wand. So instead of collecting the sample on fibers, it actually sits in the middle, the two channels that we created in the head. Or you can use any standard swab. So the major advantage what we wanted to achieve with this, first, it's guanidine thiocyanate free, so it doesn't have any toxic or hazardous material, doesn't have alcohol in it. It's why it's important, because you want to maintain the quality of the DNA, microbial DNA, when it gets to the lab, without the use of fixatives or strong denaturant, as well as when we deal with microbial samples and on automation, we usually use bleach, like after every sample, every batch of samples. And having guanidinium thiocyanate with some of the bleaches, actually you end up releasing cyanide into the lab, which is absolutely not recommended, right? But what we did actually, it's the we obscured the smell of the fecal sample, so it's actually pleasant to work with the poop, using our sample collection. I will have a link to the study we created, actually a metrics we created just to measure for the smell level of the sample collected from poop. But definitely our objective is to make it simple, easy, and straightforward, safe, importantly safe, and inactivates microbial activities, poop or any microbial sample collection or collected sample will have potentially some microbes that you don't want it to affect your health. So this is very important to inactivate the activities of any of those, whether it's viruses, bacteria, or parasites. So this is short and sweet, and I couldn't resist. I have to do this again.